Hopefully, if we don't get too much too quick, we should be in good shape in the village. But
Walk.
Yeah, we can walk it. It's helping us with the flooding, Governor. November we would not be in the position we're in now if it wasn't for the governor to come in, bring these resources in, and really focus on getting us dug out.
We're not done yet. We're looking at a warming trend, and we have a lot of snow on the ground, and if it gets warm quickly, we could have a tremendous flooding issue. We are here today surveying the building collapses behind us. If we have more rain and there is snow on the roof, we could have more building collapses, so we're also preparing for that.
We've had serious erosion in this spring too. A lot of trees are coming down during heavy storms.
The one possibility that is now keeping me up at night is the potential for flooding. If it gets warm faster, which is a possibility, 7 feet of snow turns into a lot of water, and a lot of water turns into a lot of flooding. And that would be a real concern. We have a stockpile with hundreds and hundreds of pumps, with dozens of boats of all sizes. We have high axle vehicle, we have the National Guard.